learn how to make a stock control sheet for a retail shop. So let's start. So we'll write our title here, which is stock control sheet for retail shop. Then we will select at least 8 sales. Then we will merge it. Then we will do some formatting. So we will select these, increase some space, and then from here we will select the column with the title along with line below it, and then we will drag these down. Then we will make these bold and middle line. Then here we will write headings, which is product, then unit price, quantity in hand, quantity sold, inventory value, sales value, available stock, status, and then enter. Then we will select these and center, wrap text. I will do some other formatting like this. I'll select this, and then from here I'll choose this, and then from here I'll select then table, all border. Then I'll select this and heading separately. I'll increase the size of text here, and then from here as well a little bit, and then let's start here. For our retail shop, we'll use examples of chocolate. Here we'll write sales prices, and quantity in hand here, quantity sold here, and here we will use formula, and we will select these both and then enter. I will drag this down. Here we will use same formula, product, and then we'll select this, then unit price, comma, quantity sold, drag it over and enter. Then we'll select this, drag till here. Now we have quantity in hand, out of which we have sold this. Then we will use our formula here, equals to quantity in hand minus quantity sold. So we have this quantity available. So now we know the status of quantity available. So we'll drag this down. Then here we'll use if formula, equals to if, the logical test, if quantity available is less than or equals to 20, and comma, then reorder, quotation mark over, then comma, and then quotation mark again, available, quotation mark over, and enter. And we will drag this formula down, and now we will fix our formatting. We will select this, and then we will use this center. Now you can see this reorder. You can now improve this by conditional formatting. So you will select this row, and then from conditional formatting, the new row, then format only cells that contain, and then from here you will choose a specific text. Then here you will write reorder, and then from format you'll go to fill, now you'll select red color and then okay, then again okay. You can see this now, red. If we increase the quantity in hand by 50, which will make it 450, then you can see this available. And if I make this 100, then you can see this reorder status, which is highlighted in red and much visible. I hope you have learned how to make a stock control sheet in Microsoft Excel. We have made a mistake here in the spelling of retail, EI